The TTC's streetcar overhead operations is responsible for the ongoing maintenance and repairs of the overhead contact system that powers the streetcars. Failures to this system can result in service disruptions and delays, as well as risks to public safety. Streetcar Overhead Operations Maintenance Program consists of both preventative and reactive maintenance. Preventative maintenance includes inspections and corrective maintenance and repairs before there is a failure or breakdown of the assets. Reactive maintenance consists of emergency maintenance and repairs after there is an unexpected malfunction, failure, or damage to the assets. This audit assessed whether TTC's streetcar overhead operations supports safe and reliable streetcar services. For our first objective to assess streetcar overhead operations maintenance and repair activities, we found that untimely, missed, or incomplete preventative inspections and corrective maintenance work may have contributed to some service delays in 2022. Root cause investigations were not completed for all asset failures and service delays, which is critical to prevent similar asset failures in the future. Streetcar overhead operations did not always meet its preventative inspection annual targets. Corrective maintenance was not always performed or not in a timely manner. When performed, it took an average of 5 weeks to complete. Not performing preventative inspections and corrective maintenance in a timely manner increases the risk of asset failures and service delays. For our second objective to assess the TTC's use of data and technology, we found that streetcar overhead operations is not fully leveraging its enterprise asset and workflow management system, resulting in inefficient, manual, and paper-driven processes. For our third objective to assess the TTC's policies, procedures, and performance reporting, we found the need for TTC to strengthen and formalize its maintenance and inspection manuals and standards. This will help address the variability in how preventative inspections are performed and documented. Implementing the 20 recommendations contained in this report will help the TTC improve the efficiency and effectiveness of its streetcar overhead maintenance program by strengthening their asset and workflow management, leveraging technology and data, and enhancing their policies and procedures. To find out more, visit toronto.ca/audit.